Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This is Bee Swarm. We're doing epic challenge. You can see I don't have anything. He just gives me a lot of things. So we're going to try to get a bunch of liquor bees and not get any of the enemy commander bees. Let's see. You might see I have some things. Those were from Onet, and as well as when I first joined, there was a meteor shower that gave me a few things, including a royal jelly. So let's see. I'll place down a basic egg there. Okay, basic bee, royal jelly it. I got a brave bee. Okay, now we can star jelly it, and it's a gifted bomber bee. Okay, well it's a gifted bee, so I'm not complaining. So we're going to go over here into the dandelion field, start digging with a little shovel here. The liquor bee is definitely helping. I mean, not the liquor bee, the bomber bee. Oh look, this guy has a gifted liquor bee in his hive. I don't know, I wonder how hard bee bears cost. Like, I might be able to complete one or two. That is not very hard. Let's see. So if we go over to the shop. Oh, okay, I don't have the group joined on this account. Okay, go for the call. Let's go for the rake now. Oh. Okay, let's go over here. Use the rake to rake up some stuff. So we're collecting clover from Clover Field. Okay. Pollen collector is full. We have to go back. Oh, I'm on cooldown? Oh. I didn't even know I was on this account. I thought I was on my other alt account. Okay, well, I'm gonna cut to when I have some honey. Okay, there's a sprout just appeared here. I can't really find it, but royal jelly, we need that to get liquor bees. I'm just getting like treats and strawberries to level up. Tickets are also nice to have, just there, and royal jellies are the best thing I can get from sprouts. Now let's go to the hive, and that gave a lot of honey actually. So let's see. Okay, yeah, the bomber bee is pretty overpowered for a starting bee. Like, makes 120 here. Actually, it isn't. It's just, I don't know. Gifted hive bonus, more bomb pollen. I mean, I don't even see think. Oh, then basic bee. Basic bee has a good gifted form, but otherwise isn't very good. Okay, I can't afford the clippers, so. So. And let's see, how much does the basic egg cost? Because I do have 2 royal jelly. And a present, actually. Oh, 1,000 honey. I can buy one. I'm gonna go put it in the hive. Basic bee. Usually. Use a royal jelly pop. I got a demon bee. That's a legendary, so I've decided I'm not gonna complain about it. I mean, it's better than, like, it looks like it's better, definitely better than my other bee, so. Okay, go over to blackbeard. Oh, I gave him a, I think, did I give him I'm gonna give him a present anyway. What does it even give? A royal jelly, a glitter, and the honey jar amulet. Not bad. Let's see, what is his quest? Sunflower field. Oh, I did it. I'm pretty sure it's a standard, really easy quest. Oh, that's actually quite a bit of oil. And now I need some pollen from the field over here. I can't collect really fast, but still. So you want to make sure you collect the badges when you get them. They give tickets, which are nice to have. Oh, okay, just collect pollen. Okay, that's pretty easy. Yeah, bomber bee converts quite a bit. Demon bee does not convert a lot though, so. Okay, did it say it was 2,000 for a basic? No, 2,500, and we need mushroom at pollen actually. Bees attack the ladybug. Okay, good. Let's see, what are we gonna get? A gumdrop. Okay, that's pretty good. Oh, the bomb did actually quite a lot. The demon bee got a lot of honey. And so yeah. So now I need clover from the red field for the bee's miss quest. Red request. Get red pollen. Okay. What? Oh yeah, right here. Let's buy another basic bee egg, and we have another royal. Actually, we have 2 royal jellies in case. Bumblebee, Buckobee. That's an improvement over Bumblebee. Still no Luckerbee yet, which is kind of annoying when you're trying to make a series on Luckerbee. Yeah, so Luckerbees are cool and Commander Bees are not cool. A sprout has appeared. Is it in an area I can go to? Oh, actually, there's royal jelly right here. So we do a little getting a honey storm actually. I'm just gonna get the honey. Anyways, I do need red pollen, so I'll just chill in the mushroom field while getting it. Yeah, I got quite a lot of stuff from that honey storm. Yeah, Demon Bee looks like it's collecting a lot. Okay, yeah, I need more buffs before I don't think that's a possible jump. Anyways, can I get another basic egg? Yes, I can. Oh, okay. Speeding through the early game. Okay, basic bee. Oh, I do not have a royal jelly for it, so I'll just have to use a basic bee. But basic bee for a starter bee is not very terrible. Okay, red pollen. Actually, no, we just really just need Cloverfield pollen. I don't know what, if ever, I'm gonna do a type of hive in this series. Oh, good bomber bee killed it. Demon bee also leveled up. Alpaca bee also leveled up. Basic bee also leveled up. Bees are leveling up. I think gumdrop lets you collect stuff faster. Okay, I'm getting quite a lot of rewards from these quests. Someone is getting spread, so let's just convert our hive. Like convert our honey, I mean. Also, why Demon Bee? You are so bad at converting stuff. Okay, is the spread still happening? Oh my gosh. A gifted basic bee on a regular basic egg? Oh, this is going to be a good series. If you don't know, you get a lot of extra pollen for having a gifted bee. It's super strong. Oh, festive gifts. So let's just use up the festive gifts a bit. And I can't believe we got a gifted basic bee. That's super powerful. Ooh, tickets. Oh, no, someone's just farming sprites right now. Roller jellies over here. Let's see. As good as it is to plant stuff, I'm going to go over to the... Okay. So... Okay. Got a magnet. First, I'm just going to look at what the... This is unique gear. That actually looks like it's pretty strong. I'm not getting any of these yet. I'll cut back to when I do a quest or have some honey or whatever. Okay, everyone, I'm just going to use a royal jelly on this bee. Bugabee. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm gonna end this video here. I'm probably going to make 2 of these videos this week, maybe more, depends if I decide to make videos in the week. Currently, I'm just making all of these on Sunday. Anyways, bye. Like and subscribe if you liked it.